Hey everybody! So today we're working on the cut and paste activity. If you don't have this page, then you can do the think page, which is the other video. All right, so we're gonna match small pictures to large pictures, and this is for our 2020 graduation article. Let's look at the first one.
Cap.
That is a cap. A cap is what we wear when we're graduating. We have a cap with a little tassel on it. Which one is the same as cap? We have cap. All right. Let's look at the next word. This is
Seniors.
seniors. Remember, seniors are people who are in their last year of high school or college. Seniors, they're students. Which one is seniors? Seniors. This is a school, like the school that you go to before all this happened and the schools closed down. You went to a physical school every day. Which one is the same as school? It's a place where we learn. We have school. Next, this word is gown. So along with the cap, some of you did this in your 8th grade pictures, we also wear a gown. A gown is, we wear that when we graduate. We wear that when we graduate 8th grade, which is middle school, high school, college, they're caps and gowns. Which one is the same as gown? We have gown. What's this one?
Celebrate.
Celebrate. And so celebrate is when we are doing something special to honor a person or event. So some people are celebrating graduation, or they've already celebrated because they've graduated already. Which word symbol is the same as celebrate? We have celebrate. Next, this one is podcast. So we didn't talk about this in our article. Podcast is like a story that you hear, that you listen to, either on your phone or a computer or something like that. Which one is podcast? Podcast. Our next one is speech. Speech is when someone goes up to the front, usually of a large crowd, and they speak about something that's important to them. Which one is speech? Speech. And our last one here is graduate. And so that is when you earn a diploma or some sort of certificate that says you are all done with school. You completed everything you needed to do. And here we have graduate. So the words are cap, seniors, school, gown, celebrate, podcast, speech, and graduate.